Okay, so apparently you can do two versions. You got spinning version and then the one that does not spin. Now, two people in our family do not like spinning, so we've chose the one that does not spin.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Oh, here we go.
Team 3. How many? 5. You're going to split for me between 4 and 5. Split for me between 4 and 5. How many? You're going to be my team 10. Over there. Team 10.
Do we take it off? Oh, what can we actually go into the iPhone? Yes.
Rows 7 and 4.
Go.
Rows 8 and 3. Rows 9 and 2. Europe and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger first stage separation. You'll also be triggering the landing sequence. Commander, you will be responsible for activating the flight sequence and for activating manual control if needed. Engineer, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Don't worry, when it's time to push the buttons, they will light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for our new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then
Follow the markings on the floor to your X2 trainer and begin boarding now. Capcom to X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons.
Found the pilot?
Navigator, welcome aboard.
No, this is Commander.
During the mission, you will be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary,
engineer.
and firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. Your job will be to trigger first stage separation and trigger the landing sequence. Surgeon, how are we doing? All good for launch. A reminder, Commander, your assignments are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Warning, instrument panel closing.
There you go. It comes really close.
Business bags are located on
Oh,
the
that is a
instrument
tight
panel.
squeeze, isn't it?
Let's go.
Alright.
Activate.
Wait until they tell you what to do.
I'm pressing the buttons that are lighting up.
What's this red button? Time. I'm pressing every button on it. Because it hasn't turned on yet. Activate. Red button. Activate. Never press a red button. Never trust red buttons. What?
Yeah, I know the red button. Might
Never
not be
trust
good.
the red button. Don't. Oh wait, it says activate. Okay, activate. When it's not red, you can touch it.
Oh, they got the air conditioner on.
Yay.
There's air conditioning. So who's the pilot?
Me.
Shannon's the pilot. What are you, Mark?
He is.
He is.
He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He is. He
commander. And what's your dad?
Engineer, I think.
No, I'm the engineer.
Are you?
What else?
Yeah, it's the opposite way now.
He's the first one. No, but I
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3,
1.
Oh wow.
Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission control to X2. You are go.
Mark,
Computer override initiated.
where are we off to?
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light.
Boys, ready to meet Mickey Mouse? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, Shannon. That's a big hug. All right, Shannon, we're going to have a photo. Yeah?